Humans have long occupied a dominant position on Earth, largely unchallenged by other species. However, we are approaching a pivotal moment that may disrupt the status quo: the advent of artificial superintelligence. While this concept may seem like the realm of science fiction, it invites us to explore the foundations of intelligence itself. Intelligence, defined as the capacity to learn, reason, acquire knowledge, and apply skills to solve problems, is a significant source of power. Throughout history, humanity has leveraged this power more effectively than any other species, successfully navigating and ultimately mastering our environment. This journey has not been straightforward. For many species, the energy costs associated with developing intelligence outweigh the benefits. When examining the evolutionary tree, we observe a variety of forms of intelligence emerging over hundreds of millions of years. The earliest brains appeared in flatworms approximately 500 million years ago, a basic cluster of neurons tasked with fundamental bodily functions. Over extensive periods, species diversified and evolved complex adaptations to thrive in new environments, develop additional senses, and compete fiercely for resources. In nature, survival is paramount, and the high energy demands of larger brains have led most animals to evolve narrower forms of intelligence suited to specific tasks. In contrast, certain species such as birds, octopuses, and mammals evolved more sophisticated neural structures to navigate and communicate effectively, reaping the benefits of energy-intensive cognitive skills. It was approximately 7 million years ago that hominins began to emerge, characterized by an unusually rapid increase in brain size compared to their relatives. This marked a transition from narrow to more generalized forms of intelligence, akin to evolving from a simple screwdriver to a versatile multi-tool capable of addressing diverse challenges. 2 million years ago, Homo erectus exhibited a fundamentally different perception of the world, one that recognized the potential for understanding and transformation. This species utilized fire-crafted tools and developed the foundations of culture. Our own species, emerging around 250,000 years ago with an even larger and more intricate brain, was able to collaborate in larger groups and communicate complex ideas. Through our intelligence, we sought to enhance our lives, questioning the workings of the world and the reasons behind phenomena. Initial advancements in human knowledge were gradual, but these developments laid the groundwork for exponential progress. Innovations in agriculture, writing, medicine, astronomy, and philosophy began to emerge, and in the last 100 years, the scientific revolution has propelled our understanding even further. The onset of the internet age 35 years ago has accelerated this trend, resulting in a world that we have shaped to meet our needs. This remarkable journey to our current state is often taken for granted. It is easy to overlook the immense challenges we overcame and the significant strides made along the path of intelligence. However, it is crucial to recognize that, while we have ascended to the top of the animal kingdom, we may be on the verge of undergoing yet another transformation. We are on the brink of creating machines that could truly enhance the very capabilities that empowered humanity to thrive on this planet. We're talking about artificial intelligence, or AI, a groundbreaking software that performs cognitive tasks using silicon rather than our brain's neurons. AI's journey began with just a few simple lines of code, a mere glimpse into what might be possible. It wasn't until the 1960s that we started to see the first recognizable forms of AI, like a chatbot in 1964 and a program in 1965 designed to sort through molecules. Back then, these systems were specialized, needing expert guidance, and their intelligence was narrowly focused, much like flatworms navigating their environment millions of years ago. There have been several pauses in AI research, particularly when optimism waned. But just as life adapts to shifting environments, AI technology evolved significantly between 1950 and 2000. Computers became a billion times faster, and programming became more accessible. By 1972, AI could maneuver through a room, and by 1989, it could recognize handwritten numbers. However, it remained a sophisticated tool, not yet a true competitor for human intelligence. This changed in 1997 when an AI stunned the world by defeating a chess champion. This victory gave us a false sense of reassurance, as beating a chess champion, though impressive, still represented a relatively simple task akin to a BS specialized skills rather than the breadth of human capability. Yet, within its narrow focus of chess, this AI excelled beyond anything humans could achieve. As computer technology progressed, AI transformed into a powerful ally for a growing range of tasks. By 2004, it was directing a robot on Mars, and by 2011, it was personalizing your YouTube experience. This surge was only possible because humans broke down complex problems into manageable pieces for computers to tackle. Then came the rise of self-learning machines. Let us simplify this a bit. The immense power of supercomputers merged with the vast amounts of data available in the information age, spawning a new wave of AI. Experts poured their knowledge into creating neural networks, massive networks of artificial neurons that initially struggled with their tasks. They learned through a process known as machine learning, a broad term that encompasses various training methods that allow algorithms to write their own code and refine themselves. What is striking is that we don't fully grasp the inner workings of these systems, only that they produce results. The outcome is a new breed of AI, a capable black box of code. These advanced AIs can master complex skills remarkably fast, requiring much less human intervention. While they still exhibit narrow intelligence, they mark a revolutionary leap forward. For instance, by 2014, Facebook's AI could identify faces with an astonishing 97% accuracy. Our journey with AI is far from over. Each day brings new developments, and it's incredibly exciting to see where this technology will take us next. In 2018, the landscape of artificial intelligence AI witnessed significant advancements with the emergence of self-learning systems. One notable achievement was an AI that learned to play chess within 4 hours solely through self-play, subsequently defeating the top specialized chessbot. Since that time, machine learning has been applied across various domains, including image processing, testing, and more, resulting in numerous AIs surpassing human performance in specific tasks for which they were trained. Despite these advancements, AI remained largely perceived as a specialized tool until the arrival of ChatGPT, which represented a major leap forward in natural language processing. The development of ChatGPT involved extensive efforts, training on a vast corpus of text from the internet to master language comprehension and generation. Its capabilities now encompass summarization, translation, and assistance with mathematical problems, making it significantly more versatile than its predecessors. Unlike earlier systems that focused on singular benchmarks, ChatGPT excels in multiple areas simultaneously. This progress has prompted considerable investment from major technology firms striving to create competitive AI solutions. AI continues to reshape various industries, including customer service, banking, healthcare, and marketing, while also influencing copywriting and creative sectors. The proliferation of AI-generated content is evident on social media platforms, YouTube, and news sites, leading to concerns about the potential for propaganda and misinformation in future elections. As societies navigate the implications of widespread AI adoption, they face both opportunities and challenges. A critical issue for governments and corporations hinges on effectively managing the transition to an AI-augmented economy. While current AIs, such as ChatGPT, represent a notable advancement, they nonetheless exhibit narrow intelligence characteristics. For instance, although ChatGPT can produce high-quality essays rapidly, it lacks true comprehension of its output. What differentiates human intelligence from today's AI is the capacity for general intelligence. Humans possess the ability to assimilate knowledge across diverse domains and apply varying skills, ranging from chess playing to scientific problem solving. While individuals may excel in specific areas, the potential to engage with a broad range of tasks is inherent to human nature. Historically, AI has demonstrated narrow capabilities, excelling in specific skills while struggling in others. Future advancements in AI, driven by improvements in computational power and training methodologies, may yield more sophisticated iterations. The next frontier in AI research lies in developing artificial general intelligence (AGI), which aims to replicate the breadth of human cognitive abilities. If the trajectory of AI development persists as anticipated, it is conceivable that AGI could outperform humans in most, if not all, cognitive tasks. However, the precise mechanisms for building AGI and its potential capabilities remain uncertain. Given that narrow eyes can rapidly master individual tasks, AGI could theoretically attain a level of intelligence and competence akin to or surpassing that of humans. While these projections may sound like science fiction, a significant segment of AI researchers holds the belief that AGI could become a reality in the foreseeable future. In the coming years, humanity will face challenges we can't quite grasp socially, economically, and morally. Traditionally, we've defined intelligence as the capacity to learn, reason, and solve problems. It's what humans excel at. Now, consider an artificial general intelligence AGI that could match, or even surpass, the average human intellect. Such a development would undoubtedly disrupt modern civilization. After all, Augie wouldn't be limited by the constraints that bind us. Today's AI, like ChatGPT, already processes information and tackles tasks at speeds 10 times faster than even the most talented humans. Augie might be different, perhaps slower, perhaps faster, but the ramifications are staggering. And because Augie exists as software, it could be replicated endlessly, provided we have enough storage to accommodate it. Imagine this: 8 million scientists in the world. Now envision an AI with 1 million copies, tirelessly working around the clock. Picture 1 million ages, each brainstorming at lightning speed, focused solely on their tasks. What if these ages could take on every intelligence-based job, be it interpreting laws, coding applications, or creating engaging animated YouTube videos, each endeavor carried out better, faster, and at a fraction of the cost? The entity controlling such Augie would essentially wield immense economic power. But there's more. Our intelligence has always been about applying it to solve problems. So, what might 1 million ages accomplish? They could tackle fundamental mysteries like dark energy, develop groundbreaking technology for limitless energy, combat climate change, or even find cures for aging and cancer. Yet, history tells us that humans often apply their intelligence for less noble causes. Imagine the potential misuse: Aegis guiding drones in warfare, engineering viruses with targeted lethality, or creating irresistibly addictive social media platforms that ensnare minds to the detriment of well-being. The advent of Augie could be a transformative moment in our history, akin to the discovery of fire or electricity, endowing its creator with unprecedented power. Now, let's go even deeper. What if the journey of Augie doesn't merely end at intelligence? There's a concept called the intelligence explosion, where intelligence and knowledge build upon each other exponentially. While humanity has limitations due to biology and evolution, once we develop the right framework, our software could evolve far beyond natural progression. Picture this: in a matter of moments, we could gain dominion over the planet as our software advances at breakneck speed. As Augie figures out how to enhance itself, we could enter a feedback loop of rapid development. Some experts speculate that this evolution could occur within months, or even years, after the first self-improving Augie is activated. Or, it might take decades. We simply don't have the answers. This discussion remains speculative, but it raises questions about the futures we could create, both wondrous and worrisome. The possibilities are riveting and warrant our focused consideration. The idea of an intelligence explosion leading to a truly superintelligent entity is both fascinating and a bit unsettling. We can only imagine what such a being might look like, what its motivations and goals could be, or even what thoughts might occupy its inner world. It's easy to think we might be as out of our depth in understanding superintelligence as squirrels are in grasping our human perspective. This possibility keeps many of us awake at night. Historically, humanity stands as the only species that has advanced its intelligence beyond all others, and sadly, we have not always treated those we consider less intelligent very well. Enter artificial general intelligence Augie, which might just be humanity's final creation. This superintelligent being could potentially bring about extraordinary wealth and happiness for all of us while safeguarding our future. But, on the flip side, it could also pose a threat to civilization, leading to scenarios we might not be able to control. As we explore various potential futures in upcoming discussions, it's clear that the race is on. Right now, so many major companies are fiercely competing to develop increasingly powerful eyes. Whatever lies ahead, we're definitely racing toward it. Who knows how much time we have left until we get there?